Kasengking Artyar Kabalasha Kenben Kahinyotrap National Liberation Council Lingba Kashiti Kabalasai the Chairman Uba Bobby R. Marwan but General Secretary Uba Sankupar Nongklau Hakanriu Tarik Ulube Hajar Kusan Kalatung Uba Fernando Shangpliang como legal representative Ubanyasad Nakabinta Jinki Hakabayade Wakajing Beteng Ban Ken Bian Yaka HNLC Daka Ministry of Home Affairs ka Sarkar India. Habakran Chikilat Pathai Kubor, Minta Kasi ka Khatkhandai Tarik Ulube Hajar Kusan, U President Jakahinyo Trump National Youth Front, Uba Southern Bla Ulapentep Baka Jingtong ka HNLC Uba Fernando Shangpliang, Kumunong Yasad ka Long Hadian Baka Unlawful Activities, Tribunal kan Sasyang Bishar Hanong Ba Shillong, Kaban Salong Haka Arpo Ar Tarik Ulube Hajar Kusan. Kani kadi kasian ka baningkong baka HNLC kanya kun persya ka jingsha kenbian nadu baka sarkar India ka kenbian nadu usnam arjas
nadu usnam arjas min baka sarkar kami min baka Ministry of Home Affairs daka feedback jong ka state government kila declare ya ka HNLC kum ka ban organization apa ka UAPA mo maksudnya Tengah lang kami iba Fernando Shangpliang te kajing pentau he long ba haka apor tarik mentok nai kandon ka hearing ka bala khot lagani ka tribunal ya ka bala ila ya ka seng HNLC bahkan kontes ya kani ka jingshaban bakani ka si berbanding kong dulu senang marjara hadu menta ba HNLC ka long willing ba kontes ya kani ka declaration as a illegal organization ya ka seng hi bor oi kata kali jing matang dengan banga bak benta ka khambun ni dan lawyer ya ka sai ka thum bin bak city of appointment ka ba detail industry ma cha ja sam ka ba thum ka sai ya iba Fernando Shangpliang kumu nong sadan ba mi khmat ya sai haka apor tarik khmat ka tribunal jong ka union home ministry ban contest ya kata ka jingsha declare ka sai as a kum kata ka ban organization thì bubun ki benta katlai I lawyer in kham tuchai ya phi ki press ki media kham ba ki pada ken yo e ka diga jikte
ha ka ba ide ba kani da case ba de ka bla ka ba de ka UAP mo tribunal mo kani ka de ka one bit direct na ka home ministry of home affairs mo in ba ka diga notification New Delhi dan 13 November 2024 di hakabaide bakane bala issue yang ini notification or yang ini ka case ba mukadas hamne hapo kaban salong hamne hapo ka state convention kaban long haka atau atribu ma chuntaru arya sa te hadne ron kani ngrem wa nakale ngase te lamar katkom gane ka notification kilabu syaiba ka HNLC kum kawai na kita kiseng ba kay sarkar kalanyo ba kidi ki kalanyo ba kidi ba outfit mo on offer mo te hadu before te kalabu syai ni ba kibo dau konsen advocate konsen mo ban ya khun yang diga kamte halo ni kan ngorem te na kalian ngus yung kiseng ni kalaya shikmat ba lingba jamu siang badi interlokutor te kelapha ek negotiate mo kani ka buan lingba jokan New Trade National Liberation Council mo kani ka kedi nritrik umaj arya absa but tho shai gumne tu Fernando Shangpliang appointment of legal representative with reference to the subject mentioned above the New Trade National Liberation Council HNLC is pleased to appoint Master Fernando Shangpliang as its legal representative to represent the organization in matters relating to the extension of the declaration of HNLC as a ban organization by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. As rescheduled date of the hearing has been fixed on the 22nd March 2024 at State Convention Center, 2025 at the State Convention Center, Meghalaya. The HNLC hereby informed the concerned authorities that the Council has appointed the aforesaid mentioned advocate to represent the organization in this matter, issued by the authority of NLC, and the has been signed by Bobby R. Marwin, Chairman of the HNLC, and San Kupar Nongtrao, General Secretary of NLC. Ke halor kani gubenta hadian banglayo, inglayo, ya kani ga Siti nakaseng te nagaliang kejungiru ngakom wei konsel ngala submit ya kanega intimidation letter hapo office jong USP hani isksil te ban nakju ka poro ngila hagabide bakane ban rupsan leting yekene matamo hagabide bakane ga UAP ka ban long ka bala ka issue da ministry hak khandai trip nombar adu sa mo kebangi submit mentakasni ka khandai trip March ada pesan, but ya kan ni lah ada bersih kita nak kalian yang ka office jam USP. Te kendia halor buat kenia mo halor ngakwa ban percaya kendia halor ban kenia ka not fiction kawa ndai ban nyinya ha kawa labu ba lakan ya ka HNLC mo ba ya kan ni ba kadi kata keseng kawa Tarkum kejimbo jangka Ministry of Home Affairs Union of India. Kalau orang buat kini mau buat ke agency ke maintain links with other insurgent groups. Mau long kini bang kipoin kiba ke kiba nak kalian juga Home Ministry kabu mau long ke peni ba ke agency ke dengti mau buat kini of the northeastern region for carrying out acts of aggression and intimidation. Kadang kui ke poin dulu ke bawah ni ba, indulged in 48 criminal cases, including the several case of explosion or plan of the explosive in the state of Meghalaya during the period from 16 November 2019 to 30 June 2024. Sisyo kaniga nufsyan ka amba ka katkum ka 100 November ada katkandai to 19 June 2004 ba ladap kem hadu kuba 73 of its kader during the said period buat hai ni period mo kani kawan dengan ni innovation te susu ba ko aban ban hang ne haga bide ba kani ba ya ka katkum kani ka section 3(1) jong ka UAP 1967 ka kren shai ne ba ya ka new threat national liberation council along with all its faction wings and front organization has as an unlawful association. The central government having regards to the unlawful activities mentioned above, that the unlawful activities committed in the past by the New Threat National Liberation Council is of the opinion that circumstances which necessary to declare the New Threat National Liberation Council HNLC along with all its faction wings and front organization as unlawful association. In exercise of required conform by the provision of section 3 of subsection 3 of section 3 of the said act. More kaniga unlawful activities prevention act. Hani kalau ang ba maybe under section 4 of the said act have been immediate effect from the 16th of November 2024 for a period of 5 years. More kata kejingkan illegal unlawful ya kesen agency. Ke kani gawai kabagawan nak buat kena ke Home Ministry Union Government. Kalau kena ke nombor MT. Kalau bu constitute ru hane mo ya kena ke Unlawful Activities Prevention Tribunal. Mo kena ke bawan ni napo kaya in the matter of the New Threat National Liberation Council HNLC of Meghalaya. Dated 3/1/2025. Person Honorable Master Justice Sumitra Saikia, that is the presiding officer. Shri Subhas Chandra KL, Land Special Prosecutor, represented on behalf of the Union of India. But kumjuru nagaling to state government la person daki IPS besar mo. Terengkat bat kiwi ki besar di jongka sub kebade jongka ha po Superintendent of Police Shillong branch jongka Meghalaya. Te ka order ka bami ni kat kum kena division kena tarik ke ba khala tripu November area besar issued by the Government of India in the Gazette of India Extraordinary, state the reason and ground that declared the New Threat National Liberation Council of Meghalaya hereinafter referred to HNC as unlawful association within the meaning of Section 3(1) of the UAP Act 1967. Kata kawan kat company ka UAP Act. Te cucu nang ni ba another Gazette notification mo dated 6 December 2024 was issued in the Gazette of India. Extraordinary constitute the tribunal for adjudicating. Ini ikutian adjudicating whether or not there is a sufficient cause for declaring the aforesaid organization as unlawful association under the Act. Mud ini poin mo, ibang kan declare mud. Nang kalian dong kaya HNC kan ni kon ni mo.